What are new home starts and how do they affect the price of your house? Hi, Diana here with your monthly real estate market update. Builders broke more ground on new homes in February. The government says that in the month of February, new home starts rose 6.8%. On an annual basis, they were up 22% compared to last February. Most of the increase was driven by single family home construction, with a 5.7% increase. There are a number of reasons housing starts are a strong indicator of what is happening in the economy and the housing market. Home builders tend to avoid kicking off construction on a home unless they are confident they can sell the home before or after they finish building it. Because of this, housing starts can be a strong indicator of how much demand there is for homes and what's happening in the residential construction industry. Existing home sales nationwide were down in February. The National Association of Realtors says they decreased 7.2% to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 6.02 million. National Association of Realtor Chief Economist Lawrence Yun says housing affordability continues to be a major challenge as buyers are getting a double whammy: rising mortgage rates and sustained price increases. In the beginning of March, we had the first interest rate hike in 4 years. The Federal Reserve has said that a quarter point rate hike was needed to control inflation. The Fed has said another 6 rate hikes are likely this year, and that half a point moves are a possibility. And those mortgage rates did jump higher this last week. Freddie Mac says the average 30-year fixed mortgage broke through the 4% mark for the first time since May 2019. It was up 31 basis points to 4.16%. The 15-year was up 30 basis points to 3.39%. Despite recent rate increases, the latest housing report suggests that the market is still strong and the momentum could continue into 2022. In Riverside County, the active listing inventory decreased by 18 homes in the past couple weeks, down 1%, and now sits at 2,292 homes, the lowest level for this time of year since tracking began a decade ago. More homes are coming on the market starting with this month. Cyclically, an elevated number of homes enter the market from March through August. The issue is that it has been very hard to build the inventory as homes are placed into escrow nearly as fast as they come on the market. Demand, a snapshot of the number of new escrows over the prior month, increased from 3,325 to 3,436 in the past couple weeks, adding 111 pending sales, up 3%. Yet demand is muted compared to where it would be if there were more homes available. With the supply dropping slightly along with demand rising, the expected market time, the number of days to sell, all Riverside County listings at the current buying pace, decreased from 21 to 20 days. It's the hottest reading since June of last year. In Orange County, the active listing inventory increased by 150 homes in the past couple of weeks, up 11%, and now sits at 1,556 homes. Its second largest gain of the year, but still the lowest level by far for this time of year since tracking began 19 years ago. Spring has officially arrived. More homes come on the market during spring than any other time of the year. These homes will be a welcome relief to buyers sitting on the sideline waiting. With the inventory rising faster than demand, the expected market time, the number of days to sell all Orange County listings at the current buying pace, increased from 19 to 20 days. At 20 days, it is an insane hot sellers market, which is less than 60 days, where there are a ton of showings. Sellers get to call the shots during the negotiation process. Multiple offers are the norm, and home values are rising rapidly. Last year, the expected market time was at 23 days, similar to today. The 3-year average prior to COVID was at 63 days, substantially slower than today, and just a slight seller's market. We are still in an extremely strong seller's market. If you have thought about selling your home, historically, April through June is the months you will get the most money. As a buyer, it still makes sense to purchase. Rental prices have gone up 19.8%. Of course, one of the key benefits of owning your home is that you're able to lock in and stabilize your payments for the duration of your loan. That's not the case when you rent. While rents are already on the rise, there's a good chance many people will see their rental costs increase even more this year. So, if you're ready to become a homeowner, waiting any longer may not make financial sense. Instead, escape the cycle of rising rents and enjoy the many benefits that come with homeownership today. If you or anyone you know are interested in selling, buying, or investing in real estate, please give us a call. We're happy to help. Have a great day, everyone.